Hey guys, today we're going to play Escape the Barber. Obby. It's actually just Escape the Barber shop, I should say. Obby, but I played this off camera and I liked it a lot, but I never made it to the end. So let's find out on which stage I'm on. Let's play stage. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to read that. Oh my, the sun's right in my eyes. Okay, I can't wait to play. Is this even going to load up or not? Oh, there. Joining a server. Where's my mouse? Because I don't see it. Oh, there. Yep, this is the same exact one. I have no idea why I have one leg. Thumbs up, oh why. You can read that if you want. I am not going to read everything. Oh, there. You can slowly see me. Why do I have that huge leg? That is not me. Whatever. I'm going to fix that leg right after. Oh my god, this is still really wrong. Okay, I'm going to switch this because this is definitely not the same one I played. Because I know there is this. The same one I played, I swear. Is it leaving or not? This might take a while. There. I'm going to go to home and hopefully there is at home. First, I'm going to change myself a bit. Really. Who would make me this kind of... Okay, where do you get things again? I think I just want to keep on clicking on myself, but I feel like it's there. These are Robloxes. Oopsie, wrong thing. I really just want to fix this. Mom, this is me. Why can I not fix myself? I really just want to fix myself. See, this is the problem. Left leg. I really just want to. Okay, go back. Where's my right leg? Right leg. There's. Oh my god, I have to stay. You know, I'm going to fix myself. I'm going to click on that. Take that away. Oh, here we go. We're going to fix it. Okay, where's the left leg thing? I mean right leg. There! This is the thing I want. Come on, show up. Okay, fine, I'm going to take that off. Oh my, that looks ridiculous. I'm going to have a basic body. Yeah, that's me. This is me, guys. Because I'm not going to deal with anything what's going to be on my nerves all the time. Because I just want to be me. And this is going to be me. If I can find the proper escape the barber shop thing. Make a cake? No. I played a lot. But I wasn't expecting. Well, fine, I'll play. Which one did I want to play? Oh yeah, this one. I don't remember which level I'm on, but this is what's called. If you want to join me, you can join. So yeah. We're already 4 minutes in the video and we're going to just be about to start playing a game. I know. Crazy. Joining a server. Hopefully this is going to be the right one. Closing in 5 seconds. Okay, which way should I go again? Wait, I'm confused which way to go. I think it's this way. I just fell. Oh my god, I fell again. Can I not jump? There. Okay, oh, no. Oh my, I almost fell right there. I don't remember which stage is which. What was that? Because I just heard a thing. You can just pretty much just walk through this one and jump to the end. Oh, but this one's gonna be hard. Yay, a coin! I'm going to have to zoom in for this one because we're going downhill, 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 and I have to downhill, down. I was just. Oh my god. This might take me for a little bit. Okay, just. Yes, I made it. That's gonna take forever. Now I'm gonna just die because I just want to fix my camera. Oh my god, I need to zoom out and do it. She did it on her first try, I swear. She's in the way. I shouldn't blame other people about all my mistakes, but come on. That time I did do it, but she was in the way. And my jump buttons, it's like super, like it doesn't let me jump far enough sometimes. Jump! Awesome. Oh, balance beams are my worst. Oh my god, this is a super long balance beam. Why is there no checkpoint? This is super long, I swear. This is longer than you think. That's the level. So you used to go through a lobby. That's 1, 2, 3, so on. And it took me a while. When I say a while, I mean a while. Why is everybody going skipping along? I'm very sorry, my camera's in a weird angle, but I swear it's gonna go back to normal after I finish the stage, and I'm trying my best not to die. Please don't fall. If I fall, I die. How far am I? Oh my god, I was 1 away. I hate myself, actually. I swear I can't tell where I am. Okay, so if I can walk a little bit. Did it. Sorry guys, I just need to do that. Can we touch those red? Nope. I was like, can we touch those red things? Nope. I just died. Hey mom. I'm doing a video with no camera. Why not? Why would you? I don't like when I ask if you want a skip. I did die a lot, but that doesn't mean I need a skip. I just need more time to do it. Oh my god, I was just right there. I feel like we can just skip that one and go here. Yeah. And I didn't jump. I did jump, but it didn't let me. There. There. Okay, I died so much I can't even count. I can, but I'm not even counting because I died a lot by now. If I'm going to die around the last jump, I'm going to be mad. Jump, please don't. Yes, 70. Oh my god. Guess I'm going to go to die. Because that's the fastest way to get up here. There, I made it. Okay, wait. Oh, so it's pretty much blue squares. I almost touched up and died, and I just did. That was so easy. I did almost nothing. And this one you just have to run back to the beginning in case you don't actually die. You just go to the back. You just have to walk a bit more. Did it? I hit my head like that's how you died. Okay. Oh my, I can't see it because of the sun. Okay, so it goes there, then up, all the way to the top. Okay, look, you have to go all the way there. That's my guess. I'll pass that way. I don't know. Oh my god, I just fell off. These stages are really annoying me. Hopefully, okay guys, I think I'm going to end it here. I'm going to do more on off camera. Hopefully you enjoy this, and see you next time. Goodbye, and smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Bye.